the future.
Yes.
They have just woken up in 2026 and this is what they see.
And for all teams, 5 minutes of presentation, I'll just give you an indication at the 4-minute mark.
Give us an indication at 3, then at 4, and then at 5. I think that'll
Okay,
be
fair
enough.
enough.
Can I have someone's phone? I'll just search for
So,
synonymous
uh,
connect. Oh, okay.
Again, a round of introduction. Pooja, Asim, Ashish, Sameer.
Okay.
So when we wake up in 2026, we have divided the complete story into 4 parts.
Okay.
The first part is about body hacks. We have figured out that our physical conditions, what is happening, we have bioindicators or AI developed on top of it. We understand or we have probably mastered our own body.
Okay.
The second part is about our
So
family.
just to
and
elaborate
friends.
on that, what we're saying is that we will be in full cognizance of what all is optimal for our body. So there might be a bot that just wakes us up at precisely the right time that it is for us to get out of REM or
That cycle, yes.
yeah. So that bot will.
And
be
why do you think that will happen by 2026? I mean,
Because we believe that it's already there. So
Okay.
the data for it is available. The
Okay.
technology that can make it happen is also available. It's a matter of just combining the two and saying that there's an end use case for it.
sure.
So the second part comes to about once I am good enough, what is happening with my family and within my home.
Okay.
So there is AI available that can tell you who's there at your place, which of your pets have eaten what is happening in your house, and what next needs to be done. You can plan out your whole day.
Okay.
So
So
simple.
here I was thinking about my dogs. I have 7 dogs. Every morning they wake me up. So imagine there's a large display in front of my bed, and it tells me which of the dogs need to be taken out first because there's enough waste in their body. So there are sensors attached to every dog, and which are the ones who need to be fed first. Okay, so it's about displays and sensors. Lots of sensors on all the dogs and all the people.
Yeah, another heads up displays all around AI, augmented reality displays around us to just bring us up to speed with what has happened.
And you going out and looking for screens, the screens will be available to you whenever you want to get there.
More like minority.
Sure.
Exactly, yes. So the next part is about your work culture and how your social life would evolve. So I would have had probably a brain implant or my genome would have been hacked by that time, and I would know what is happening, and I would have probably using my own brain as the base system, or rather the machine for doing any calculation or any computation. I should connected brains. So let's say if I'm going out for a meeting, I don't want to be there or I don't have to be there. I simply can decide I want to have a conversation with my boss and close my eyes and I'm there in a VR room with him. Do the discussion, open my eyes and start working on
Control
it.
your brain as if it's an instrument.
Yes, so instrument as well as, so it's 2 parts to it. I control my brain as an instrument, as a base machine, it's my laptop sort of way. Second, it's connected. So it's no more about connected devices, it's about connected people.
Simply put, just activating more percentage of your brain. वो school में सीखा था ना, we are using some X% of our.
So
Like just activating more areas.
there will be no offices, there will be more of a green spaces, and rather than the basic 2 economies would be around agriculture, food production,
Agri-tech.
and agri-tech and space exploration, because that's where we would have provided everything that we would have wanted by that time within the Earth's resources.
So when you say space exploration, what do you mean? What all comprise?
Alternative life, alternative.
Areas to explore, settle down, maybe to find out more metal or other
4 minutes.
alloys. Sorry?
You're done with 4 minutes.
Additional resources.
Yes. And
entertainment.
last part is about entertainment. It'll be more immersive entertainment. So I know what I'm doing to myself, my family, or what is happening with my family. I know what I'm doing in my workspace. Last part is what happens to the entertainment piece. How do I enjoy?
So rather than consuming the content, we will be part of the story when we want to. So we will be the heroes of the movie if we want to. We can have like multiple, ends to the same story if we just choose
So
more
this
like
is an
a.
individual experience. I can be there and I want to be a hero. I want to have a very happy ending, or I want to have the
More
very
control
sorrowful
over the-
ending, the climax, whichever way I want to be do. Something like a Star Trek virtual reality room.
So that and more of collaborative creation of content, more collaborative consumption also. So just hooking up with people from across the globe to brainstorm and then like implement the ideas overnight. So a lot more speed between brainstorming and execution.
And I can experience being on stage with Bono when he's singing.
Yeah.
Or you can be Bono when he's and you are singing.
Okay, thanks.
Awesome.
Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you
Nice.
guys. Thank you.